People think movement is about technique. I don't. When I watch someone move, I'm not asking, is this exercise correct? I'm asking something completely different. What is this movement trying to tell me about the unconscious of this person? That is why I became fascinated with Pilates years ago. Most people think Pilates is about building a stronger body. For me, it's a laboratory. I've seen people who control every single movement so tightly that they never allow themselves to breathe. While breathing is what brings your core the endless strength and balance. Others tend to rush through every exercise because slowing down feels unbearable. What is this telling us about the unconscious patterns that this person is experiencing in life? Some people tend to give up the moment they lose balance. Others keep pushing long after the body is asking them to stop. Those patterns, those moving patterns, they are not simply fitness habits. Those are clues for me as a psychologist to read. And based on those clues, we can draft a roadmap to change. The movement itself isn't the problem. It's revealing the strategy the unconscious has been practicing for years. That's why I never choose movement at random. First, I map the person's unconscious portrait through psychoanalytic inquiry and archetypal analysis. Only then do I ask which movement is more likely to reveal the pattern we're looking for. Because once the pattern becomes visible, movement stops being an exercise. It becomes the laboratory of change, not for building stronger muscles, but for building a different relationship with yourself. Maybe that's why some people leave Pilates class feeling physically stronger, while others leave feeling as though they've met a part of themselves they never noticed before. And maybe the real transformation doesn't begin with learning a new movement. Maybe it begins the moment you realize you've been practicing the same psychological pattern with your body for years without even knowing it. Believe it or not, this is when you truly become stronger, when your relationship with your own self becomes reliable enough.